Linking your bank account to Cash App allows you to easily add money, cash out, and make transfers. Here's how to do it. Step-by-step guide. Open the Cash App on your phone. Tap your profile icon, top left corner. Scroll down and tap Banking or Cash and Bitcoin. Tap Linked Banks. Add a bank. Choose one of two methods. Method A. Instant Connect. Recommended. Select your bank from the list. Log in with your online banking username and password. Follow the prompts to connect securely via Plaid. Method B. Manual entry. Tap Add Bank manually. Enter your bank's routing number and account number. Confirm the account holder name. Once added, Cash App may send 2 small test deposits to your bank, usually within 1 to 2 business days. Return to Cash App and enter the amounts to verify. Tips: always double-check routing and account numbers. Start with a small test transfer after linking. You can link multiple bank accounts.